Hello, good afternoon, Professor Jorge Luis Chavez and partners. I am Gerardo Andres Martinez Salcedo, and this is my presentation about the Phase 3 interaction practice. In this occasion, I have chosen the option to record the video through a screencast automatic. I am going to describe you my visit of one of the 7 wonders of the world. So, here we go, welcome. First, I am going to show you some pics of this wonderful place, Petra. And I'm going to tell you Petra is located between the Dead Sea and the Wall of Aqaba, belonging to the country of Jordan. It is one of its most important cities since it is a treasure of archaeology. It is located approximately 200 kilometers from the capital of Jordan, Amman. Oh, and I'm gonna show you my postcard. I'm really enjoying my trip through Petra in Jordan. My co-workers Stephanie, Angel, and I very excited to have won this incredible prize. In the first photo, I am in front of the Alchemist. I am contemplating the majesty of the facade. In the other photo, we can appreciate many tourists who visit this beautiful place every day. We will go to the Archaeological Museum of Petra. It is located in an ancient Nabatean cave on the hill of Al-Hafiz. It presents objects from different periods, in the myths and Romans. This beautiful place makes me very curious, as if we were on another planet. Petra is without doubt amazing, incredible, imposing, huge, ancient, rocky, and majestic. On the other hand, I like the pink color of the building. The hotel is very cozy and the food is delicious, but I just like the weather. Sometimes it is a terrible and suffocating heat. When that happens, we wear shorts and sweaters, like clothes basically. Oh, and sunglasses, they are very necessary. So, thanks for your attention. Bye bye.